is Wednesday, November 11th. Happy Veterans Day. It is a holiday, however, the markets are still open today, obviously. Slower volumes coming in. However, just got a few tickers for you guys today. Number one, ARLO Technologies. They are a smart camera company. They do doorbells and indoor cameras as well. They are a direct competitor with Ring and Amazon. And yesterday it was reported that over 350,000 Ring cameras are catching on fire and has been recalled. So Arlo is a potential for you guys if you guys are looking for a play here. With the vaccine news, this is my take. With the vaccine news, people are obviously going to be heading outdoors more, potentially in the near future, and therefore it should bring back demand for smart cameras. However, let's go in and take a look at the price action. We see there's a clear resistance at 5.72, right? And this stock was over 730 just about 2 months ago on this particular stock. So we can actually swing this. I'm anticipating good news from the company. The CEO chimed in on a conversation on Twitter yesterday we were having about Amazon, and he mentioned that they were going to release a camera, a smart camera, or a doorbell that does not require any wires or batteries. So it's going to be interesting to see when they launch that particular product. So keep an eye out for Arlo. Really liking the potential here, potential swing to the sevens. All right, let's talk about FLDM. And with the vaccine news on Monday, a lot of COVID plays, definitely tanked quite a bit, and FluiDyme was one of them, and we can see it here. However, it's making a nice recovery here, up about 10% on the day. And again, my thesis here is that it should be back to $12 level once we receive some good news from FluiDyme. All right, INO is another one that I've been eyeing since yesterday or a couple days ago. So I'm going to bring it to your attention now. This one lost significant traction down to the $8 level a couple days ago with the vaccine news, and their vaccine trial was halted by the FDA. Now, the FDA can resume the trial, and they're expecting a decision this month. So right now, they had a huge comeback yesterday in the 11s, and today it's taking a healthy pullback down to 1039. However, there is a gap fill to be had right here in this range. All right, so if we get news that they're going to resume their vaccine trial, you can see it filled up the gap here and also here as well. So significant upside on INO. All right, let's talk about FUBO, my favorite stock right now. I've been talking to you guys about it since the $9 level, and right now, yesterday and this morning, it reached a high of 21.4 in the pre-market. They released awesome earnings result yesterday, year-over-year growth, and they are getting into the online wagering. And I think that's just pretty cool. I mean, if you can watch games on FUBO and also place wagers at the same time on your TV, on your smart TV, I think that's pretty interesting concept. I'm pretty sure somebody else is already doing it, but this is a tremendous stock that you guys should be looking at the long-term potential. Right now, I'm looking for it to break 22 or 21.4. Or I'm sorry, 21.4 was a pre-market high. So if it breaks 21.4 during intraday session here, we could see significant upside into the 23s. All right, so we can see 21.4 here. I always like to measure the growth of the stock intraday trading compared to the pre-market. So here in the intraday, we see 2032 as a high. So it's trying here. It's doing some accumulation here. All right, let's move on to SRNE. They released great news this morning for antibody nasal spray. They filed the IND with the FDA, and went as high as 7.24, about 20% on the day. This is really looking good. And as I mentioned in prior, if you're following me on Twitter, the SRNE and several others tanked when the vaccine trial or the vaccine news with PFE came out. So this is on its way back, and I would not be surprised if SRNE goes back to at least the $10 level, or $10, $11 level, and end of year or next year, where I anticipate more news will be coming out with this company. You're looking at potential $20 if you want to go long on this, but definitely scalpable material as of this morning. All right, with that being said, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. God bless.